Okay guys, we're up and we're personal. Yeah, but I don't need to be that close. Hi everyone, welcome back to All Things Hair and Fitness. Oh, wait, was that it? What did I used to say? Oh yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Talk Tan, All Things Hair and Fitness. I haven't seen you on so long. I know, we'll talk about that later on. But yes, thank you all for tuning in to my channel. Today we're gonna be showing you all some, I guess you can call them tips on how to meal prep, because meal prepping is so hard nowadays. And I know it just seems like a daunting task, but guess what guys? Like, we're gonna make this easy for you. Well, I am at least. Like, I hope this is gonna be easy for you, because it was pretty easy for me. This is gonna be for those who don't have a lot of time throughout the week to cook a lot, and you're cooking for more than one person and not just yourself. So yes, don't worry, it's not gonna be those long drawn out videos where I'm showing you how to package each container separately and make all these cute, unique, you know, meals. Because that's not what I do. All right, let's get right into this video. So with anything, you have to set the mood. This is my first tip. I always drink wine or have something to wind down with once I get home. Soak too. Make sure you soak all of your beans, your lentils, your rice, whatever you're cooking. Soak. It helps cook it faster. These are just some benefits of quinoa. They're really high in fiber, really high in protein. Lentils as well are really good source of fiber and protein as well. It's also a complex carb, so it helps burn fat and boost your metabolism. Make sure that you also preheat your oven before cooking. Very important. Tip 4, make sure you wash everything at once. Like, don't waste your time trying to wash everything separate and then cook it. It's just a waste of time. I promise you, this is gonna make cleanup super easy, and you know, just washing completely just smooth. Everything's gonna be washed. You can just cook everything at one time, wash everything at one time. It just makes life easier. By now, you should be starting on your lentils and your quinoa and your rice, whatever you're cooking for the night. Make sure you start cooking your grains early, because in my opinion, they take the longest. These are just my favorite seasonings that I like to use, and this is my secret one, which is sazon Goya. Y'all know I'm Puerto Rican, so that's what I like to cook with sometimes. These are your fresh veggies. They are all clean. Now it's time to cut them all at once to make everything just more easier, so you don't have to worry about going back and forth between the cutting boards and the cooking. So my next two tips go hand in hand. Tip 5 is to use Ziploc bags and reuse them. They're really resourceful. Tip 6 will actually be to use lemons and limes as their natural preservatives. Like, those help recuperate veggies, fruits, all types of things. So yes, you're just gonna go ahead and cut up all your veggies at one time and get them prepped and ready to be seasoned and put in the oven. Tip 7 is to have your favorite seasonings on deck, okay? Like, you don't want to make no boring food. Food, it gotta taste good, and it doesn't taste good if you don't have some good quality seasonings. Speaking of good quality seasonings, I want to talk a little bit about these liquid aminos. 0.05 grams of proteins per tablespoon. These also have all the essential amino acids and non-essentials, so I love using this when I want to add a little bit of a soy salty flavor. Tip 8, deal with all raw meats last. You do not want cross-contamination. I promise you, it is not good for you. Tip 9, cook meats after veggies so you can reuse the same pots. Duh, hello, nobody got time to washing 1,000 pots. Cook all your veggies first and then cook the meat inside of those same pots. This is a really great alternative for butter. Earth Balance is my favorite. They have a lot of other brands, but this is mine. And of course, you can just, you know, season it just the way you want to season it. But hello, this, like I said before, this is my stuff. This is how I like to season my food. So yeah. My next tip is my favorite tip of them all. Tip 10, please clean as you go. Don't nobody want to clean up a dirty kitchen afterwards. Also, I just want to let y'all know you don't have to spend a lot of money on Tupperware. Like this Tupperware, all of it literally cost me $6 in total for all of these containers. And don't forget to pack your lunch for tomorrow so that you're actually going to eat the food that you spent time cooking, and you don't have to worry about waking up in the morning to, you know, make your lunch because you made it while you were cooking. So make sure you have one of these set aside as well so you can have it easy for you in the morning. And also, don't forget about your significant other's plate. Again, we are making food for everyone in the house. Make sure you feed your kids and things
Thank y'all
like
for
that.
watching so very much. I think I'll be putting out a workout video for you all really soon, and probably like an up-to-date video because y'all need to know what's been going on in my life, and I haven't been talking much. So yeah, y'all have a wonderful weekend.